Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a GMC Sierra headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Make sure your vehicle's engine is off and the parking brake is set for safety. Now, open the hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly. You'll be working from the engine bay side to access the bulb housing. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Next, you'll need to disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the bulb. Simply press the release tab and pull it away. Then, locate the bulb's retaining ring. Rotate this ring counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn until it unlocks. Once unlocked, carefully pull the old bulb straight out from its housing. Avoid touching the glass of the old bulb, as it can be hot or contain oils. Now it's time to install your new headlight bulb. Always hold the new bulb by its plastic base, never touch the glass. Oils from your skin can significantly reduce the bulb's lifespan. Carefully align the tabs on the new bulb with the corresponding slots in the headlight housing. Gently push the bulb straight in until it's fully seated. Then, rotate the retaining ring clockwise to lock the bulb securely in place. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to the back of the new bulb. Ensure it clicks firmly into place, creating a secure connection. Once everything is reconnected and the bulb is secure, you can close your vehicle's hood. The last step is to turn on your headlights to confirm that the new bulb is working correctly. If it doesn't light up, double-check all connections and the bulb's seating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.